Gathered here 5 more next level knives, and some of them are really rare, like this one, Hawk. Yeah, so let's see what I got this time. By the way, we got them from Arizona Custom Knives. All these knives gonna be available on their website. I'll put links in description. And by the way, once you buy one, who knows when it's gonna come back in stock. They only have whatever they have. So yeah, let's see what we got this time. We'll start with the Hawk knife. Wow, this thing is amazing. What's so unique about this knife? It's out of front without any wiggle, and this thing sell out. You have to wait. Even if you order this knife, you have to wait for a long time to get it, because the people love them. Most of the out of front knife, nature of a knife, there's a little wiggle because it's you know, a lot of moving parts in there. Carbon fiber. This thing is just one of a kind. Look at that little dagger. I love their logo. So yeah, we got it here, Geotech Manticore E, hand ground, double edge, DLS, ball bearing, Vegas, forged Damascus. So yeah, serial number 3. Wow, you know, serial number actually is a big deal. There you go, 2021. So beautiful. Geotech Knives, Manticore, serial number 3 on the handle. I really love this, like, look like a scale type of thing. Wow, so smooth and snappy. Check out the beautiful blade right here. I love Geotechs. So there you go, another beautiful one. See what else we have. This is the newest Hobart Knives Summit. So let's see what this thing is all about. This thing is pretty awesome. Comes with a pouch. So that's what you expect. This is definitely one of the bigger knives out there. It tells you everything about it, so you can pause it, read it. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of like flip from the side. Wow, that's a huge knife. Hobart, beautiful purple colors on a silver. I kind of like that. I love the axe of a Hobart logo. Ooh, gotta be careful with those big knives. You see how nice and snappy they are? I would close them with 2 hands. You see how very, very fidgety, because it's super smooth. And it looks like this adjustable. You can go, actually no, it's not, but I thought it was adjustable. Maybe you can move it up and down, I don't know, but it is super like fidgety and fun to play with. And it's a big knife. Look how smooth that is. Wow, Hobart knives, very good stuff. We got it here, really vintage Microtech. Let's see what this one is all about. So super lightweight. There's a button open, and this is Silcom button painting, 1997, partial serrated, 1998, 154 cm. And this is liner lock. Really tough to close it. It is quite snappy. Let's press a button right here. You see how it kicks back, and usually you'd press a button and lock it again, but this one you go like that. Microtech knives are very, very collectible. Oh wow, no way, you could actually open it without worrying about it flying out on you. So this is a dual action Silcom, so which is really hard to find, a dual action knives. You see how it's really hard to close it. If you open it this way, now it's easy to close it. There is no resistance. If you open it with a button, this is one of the best dual actions I've seen. Wow, you see? Now there's quite a good resistance. Wow, I really like that one. Almost wanna keep it for myself. So I'll put links in description for them. That's a very unique one for sure. This is something new for me, never seen before. Seahorse, and there's a name of it, Besteli. I really like the locking and unlocking mechanism. So open that, let's see what's inside. Yeah, that is a quite unique dagger over here. I actually saw it on their website. Check this out, that's so wide, reminds me of Microtech daggers that they have, except this one is shorty. This is so fun. Obviously the balance not going to be perfect, that's where your balance will be, but it's quite fun if you need to work on things like, you know, around the camp and things like that. Very cool, partial serrated, beautiful. Yeah, that is a fun little dagger. I would definitely buy one of these in the future for myself. I really love the casing too.